last symbol must be B. So we'll start with the Q0. We'll start with the Q0. We'll take one string, this A, B, A, B, A. So this is the even size, and we'll check blank, blank. And we'll try to design a Turing machine. Q0 is the initially your head is at the first symbol. Head is at the first symbol. Now, what our logic is saying, if first symbol is A, make it blank. Move to the last. If it is A, make it blank. So Q0, if I am getting A, make it blank and right direction. Make it blank and right direction. Make it blank and right direction. So we'll move to the Q1 state. Now, we are getting B. What do we have to do? We have to skip B. We have to skip B. So if we are getting B, skip B. How we are skipping? So B replace with B and right. So we'll get Q2. Okay. A, skip A. A, skip A. B, skip B. A, skip B. A. So whatever we are getting, that we will skip. So how to skip the number of things? Similar things with the self loop. If we are getting A, replace A with the right. If we are getting B, replace with B and right. So A and B, we can skip. Similarly here, if we are getting B, we will skip. If we are getting A, that will again skip. So this Q1 and Q2, we are using to skip all the things. Now there is one question. If we are Q1, B, replace B with R, means skip B. Here again is self loop, we are skipping B. Here skipping A, and in the self loop again skipping A. So can we write this self loop directly here? Why we are wasting one state? Can we self loop here at the Q1? Yes, we can write. But that will create one problem. As I said, Turing machine is a finite automata. It is a deterministic finite automata. It is a deterministic finite automata. Means what? For single input, there will be the always single state to go on. So that is the rule. For single input, we will always go to the same state. So for same input, we cannot have the two different transitions. That problem will be created if we are writing this self loop at the Q1. That we will see. But for time being, you just remember, we create one more extra state for this. So here Q2, we are skipping everything. Now we will get this blank. So this blank, we have to keep as it is and change the direction to the left. So if we are getting blank, keep this blank as it is and change the direction to left. That will give you the Q3. So now we are changing the direction. We are at the last symbol. We are at the last symbol. Last symbol must be A. Here we have made A. So that last symbol must be A. If it is A, make it as a blank and left. That is what your Q4. Q4. So first A, we have made blank. Skip everything. The last, we are reached at to the end, blank, change the direction. So that we will get the last symbol. If last symbol is A, make it blank and left. So this A will become blank. A will become blank and left and left. Now left, we are getting B. So what do we have to do? Skip B. A, we have to skip A skip A, B skip A. Everything A, we have to skip, B, we have to skip. So skip everything. So that we write as a self loop. So A, left, B, left. So skipping everything, we have to keep going on to the left hand side. We have to keep going on to the left hand side. Okay. So skip. Now we'll get this blank. Skipping everything, we'll get this blank. Moving left, we'll get this blank. So means what? We have reached to the beginning. Now the first symbol we have to consider. So when we'll get this blank, keep this blank as it is and change the direction to right. So when we'll get this blank, keep this blank as it is and change the direction to right because we are moving onto the left hand side. When we'll get this blank, keep this blank as it is and change the direction to right. So now we have reached to the first symbol. Again, means from the string point of view, second. But here for solving the problem, now it is again the beginning. So B. So if it is B, we have to make it blank and the last symbol must be B. Okay. So what we'll do here from the Q0, we'll make another path for the B. Another path for the B. Q5. If it is a B, make it blank and right. Again, same process we have to follow. Same process we have to follow. If we are having A, skip A, right. If we will get B, skip B, right. Skip all A and B. So A, right. B, right. So skip everything. When we will get this blank? When we will get this blank? So blank as it is, change the direction to left. Blank, change the direction to left. Left, if we are getting B, make it blank. So if we are getting B, make it blank and left. If we are getting B, make it blank and left. Okay. So make it this B blank, left. Skip everything A and B. Skip. Blank. When we are getting blank, right. So we are here. We are getting A. A, make it blank. A, we are blank. Skip everything. When we'll get this blank, A replace with the blank. A replace with the blank. And left. Now here point is here. So skip A, skip B, there is no A. We are getting this blank. So blank right. Again, when we are having this blank and again right, we will get the again blank. So when we are making this blank, so we are reached to the beginning and right, but right immediate again we are getting the blank. Means what? String is over. So at Q0, we'll get a blank again. That will show that the string is over and it is palindrome. So we'll make, if we are Q0, we are getting this blank, keep this blank as it is and no operation. No operation. This is what your final state is. String is over and it is a palindrome. This is what your final state. And string is a even size palindrome. String is your even size palindrome. Okay. So this is the logic for even size palindrome. At the Q0, if we are getting A, make it blank. Last A, make it blank. Turn left, come to the beginning. Again B. And when we are getting blank, so it means all strings, all alphabets are over and it is a palindrome. Now to design for the odd palindrome, design for the all odd palindrome. So if we are saying A, B, A, suppose this is your string. So as with this logic, we are making A as a blank, Q1, last as a blank, Q4. Skip everything. This B as a blank, this B as a blank. Skip everything blank. Okay. So blank, right. Now when we'll make a right, we'll not get the blank because for the even size palindrome, we'll get this blank. Blank, immediate right, again blank. But here, if we are making this A, odd size palindrome A, so from Q0, it will get A and make it blank. A, make it blank. And from after here, what it is getting, right? It is getting immediately blank. It means what? It is a even size palindrome. So for even size A palindrome, from Q1 state, we'll come to the Q8. So if we are getting this blank here, keep this blank as it is and no operation. And for odd size, odd size B in between. So Q0 to Q5 will come, and we will come here with the blank and no operation. This is what the logic for the odd size. So if we say this, this is what even size. This is what even size palindrome. Even size palindrome. And these two are the odd size. Odd size. So from here we will get, if we are getting the final state, from here we are getting the final state, that will be the odd size palindrome. So this is the logic for the Turing machine to recognize the palindrome. If in the exam they are saying for palindrome, we have to design the palindrome for even size as well as the odd size. But if they are saying for the even size, so that will be the only final step. If odd size, this will be the only final. So this is Turing machine. Now if suppose they just change the question. Now recognize the non-palindrome. Recognize the non-palindrome. Means all the string which are non-palindrome. So which are non-palindrome means what? We have to just reverse of this. Now for even we are getting here, and for odd we are getting here. So for the odd size palindrome, we'll just make a little changes. It will remain the same logic, but here we'll get this final state. Here we'll get this final state. Final state. So from these three states, we'll get a final state here. That is a non-palindrome. That is a non-palindrome. Okay. So this is the Turing machine. So any doubts in this? So logic, is it clear?